Hi crafty friends! Today I'm going to show you how I made 2 cards using the Happy Hauntings collection from Spellbinders. I made a previous video unboxing these dies, which I'll link if you want to learn more. Starting with the Woof-or-Treat die set, I went ahead and pre-cut all the pieces to make 2 dogs for this card. I started with adhering the inner ear pieces to each dog head, and today I'm going to go with a cream brown dog and a brown and black one. I attached the nose to the muzzle piece with liquid adhesive, which I like because it allows me more time to adjust the pieces if I need to. I attached the muzzle to the front of the ghost costume, leaving the bottom a little bit unglued for the pumpkin basket that's coming. The orange pumpkin face attaches to the front of the black bucket base, and I will slide it just under the muzzle so the dog is holding it. The little feet get adhered to the bottom of the ghost, and then it's time for the face at the top. I tried to line it up as center as I could. To cover the eyes, I took a small piece of black scrap cardstock and stuck it on the back of each head. For assembly, I prefer to lay everything out to get the placement just right. The notched corners die from Spellbinders is what I used for the black section of the background. I am using foam squares on the backs of the dogs for dimension and attach them to the black background. I used a bit of foam tape for the sentiment and foam strips on the back of the black background and placed it in the center of my pattern paper. Then I just attached it to the card base, which should be A2 size. And embellished it with these embellishments from Tailored Expressions.